Hi everyone, Stephen Ritz here, your favorite urban farmer and founder of Bronx Machine. If you're growing food, cooking meals, or building a healthier, stronger community, I want to hear about it. It's time to turn your impact into a story the world can see and celebrate. So here's what I want you to do. Ask your teacher to click the link on this page and create your free Dear World account. From there, you can post a photo, share a video, and tell us how you're using Bronx Machine to build a better, brighter world. The impact that you're having in your classroom and community should not stay there. I want you to inspire the whole world. We're building a global movement of good news stories, and I'm waiting for yours. Let's go! Se puede, and see you soon.